naga Health and Family Welfare Department ka bay day bat ka COVID-19 status ki case ki ba thamai ki ba ngiyo hadu shibaji menta ka sngi gilong khat khandai na East Khas Hills ki dan khat san khat lai ki de ki BSF ar ki de ki pat West Jaintia Hills Iway, South Garo Hills Iway, West Garo Hills R. Ki total active cases ki bangidan hadu menta gilong sanspa fra. Po East Khas Hills ki dan South Spa Khandai Puai. BSF Aspa Sanfusau Kiway gilong Aspa Lai Armed Forces Life South West Khasi Hills Southwest Khasi Hills Ndan Ribhoi South West Jaintia Hills Khatsau East Jaintia Hills Khatsan West Garo Hills Khatsan Southwest Garo Hills South South Garo Hills Iway kiba la recover menta kasni kilong lai pat baro kiba recover hadu menta kilong aspa sipo bakhlat san. The total number of deaths is 5. Ki test kiba ngila phale hadu menta kasni ar baje gilong life san hajar sanspa nyopua kiba long negative nang ne gilong life sa hajar ndrespa san punyo ki test ki bangidang up ya ki reports gilong shispa khat ar Kibriu gibarung po Meghalaya hadu menta arba jimin singi gilong arf saw hajar shispa saw punyo kini gilong jing penbana kibayo thamai menta gilong khat khandai hadu mestap ngiyo ar menten janmit hadu shibaji ngiyo khanyo gilong khat khandai East Khas Hills ada batai khat lai gidi BSF Iway they returning na po Bihar, but iway bade they contact. Hadin break West Jaintia Hills they returning na po Assam. South Garo Hills returning na po Guwahati. West Garo Hills baro arngot kidi returning na po Assam.